So what's what on a boom? So what on a boom? So what on a boom? So what on a boom? Shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, unjami, 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 unjami. So what on a boom? So what on a boom? So what on a boom? Yo, to all my Shakara babies, so what you say? Ufanyasa, Mumbu Munamu Somotono, Candy Beats. What's that? Yeah, beats in the boom. Anyway, yeah, they better to almost speakers. Rap father. Yeah. Change that kind. It's a hit, man. Shakara.
Hey, Franka. Yes. And I did something the other way, no, as a man. No, hey, Franka, yes, I was in the gym, the man who saw what you want. Who bang in a me your corner? Ah, that's me. You said that me got something, I'm just a because I got something. Yes, she made it. Hey, who bedroom from Iowa? Now, the band also left roof, I bedroom from all. I feel a mess. If you ask no, a braboni, a book, and your moon pitch. She you, not the old year child, groom, try a chair with school fees, or show mammy. Unyamu or show them, where be Biamo. Also, Penajera anyway, I don't know if I like a mamma back. Or don't your piece, or no now open. I like the 4 munis by you. Now, mammy will push a photo or mark or like a mammuda. Now, for while in Nigeria, no matter. I don't know, sir. Mother just in a drum on him, baby. Hey, Mother just organa giant baby. To see at Organium shade, we are just friends. Why? I don't know, come at one and say, come on for a car coming by 7 minutes, my name, maybe. Mr. Shimno. Hey! Ayo. Okay. Martina, may catch or set China, one pen, I catch and set China. I don't penana. Me pen is a set. I only a bearman and Kobe, sad now, would you China, be the do and Cabell. Mecuno. Ah, Mecuno. Ah, now boy, yet cheer school fees is some or what to observe 40 years school. Nanga. Hey, W. Send me a bomb me and I said, Mammy, chimney woman. What the map I said, Bearman me embedded to Quano, my nation, me own. No, what a hand to all show and know what's now. When that grandship, not try to think we are also on Pena Latin, new way. No, Habana, Tintin, I be the other. Now, so her. Into the shan, I be the other child. You dish and the Frank, you dish it down. Ah, never dish it off. Maybe you dish it down, and then among so off. Yes, you, hey. And to what on I can come do to see a compliment in Brena China for a mouse. Echo, just you, Franka. Astanoka, and then I don't know, and then I don't know what I cook. What you did that in no what I do. And the daddy will be to what in your Janoka. I know today. Macassa, where I walk and Uncle, let mammy, I say, Macassa, yes, I will come. And I bet Mac. What bomb a pachin walk on one to cheap. Who is this now cockroaches? Me na cockroaches. You said me now what? Cockroach wine. When you're serious one. Now when you say again, I didn't know. Hey! Again. One tissue. Now sing you one tissue to back. Do you hear something? I don't know what he's saying. So you don't understand why they throwing her? The people are saying that property they kill for another here. I'm saying,
You need something?
Franka, what catch him say no hwe.
Franka need.
Just say when him so on teaching no. Who chan tran say no hwe no. Say when him so on teaching. And I wo say that catch him say, "What jano na wo mpɛ ne bi na what."
Me say onya me bibia is ta hwemu.
Onya bibia no oba be fa wo.
Oba fa wan.
Why
Are you not coming to take her out?
It doesn't concern you.
Good.
After I'm going or I'm coming, it doesn't concern you. Okay?
But do you know she has a boyfriend?
That one there is on back of my case.
I say, what do you mean? Okay.
What is he saying? What is he saying?
She say you mad.
Hey, which man? Crazy boy.
She say you foolish.
You say I'm foolish. It's not there. Why you the judge? It's not there.
Bema wunim nyansa wo ge ne de o ka na wudi echi me
She
so
say
o
you don't
boy
have senses.
me so o boy me so wo ge ne o boy
she
o fa
say
anya
you
she
don't
o so
have
o mpɛw she said she doesn't like you.
Who?
Your girlfriend.
Now who like you?
Me
This
I don't have a boyfriend.
How can you have a boyfriend now? Because nobody that can like you now. And the way you did, you say when you go to my hometown, Nigeria, Lagos, when you go, you get something like you call and say incredible. They call it like this. Anybody where you don't get sense, where they will call an incredible person. Yellow popo.
Me da se and I want so nya me sha why.
Hey!
Na what's that?
Jessica,
me kwa akobɔ twan amane. Na se sa twan no so a wɔno wɔnam te sɛ de wɔn ne adwuma di wɔ krom ha na wɔdi wɔkyi no. Se wo de ne kɔ aduro so de a minti kyerɛ.
Ma me nche wade. Ine wi aso. Dem fa be man kwa aduro so. Eye kasa de. Akrokro. Ana wodo. Ana ye de kyerɛ be man se be man uku no kra na. Wonim se wuku no.
Ye kasa de na wo de ada twan. Ana woni se akɔfa lata ni.
Ana ahuni o, ana ahuni.
Se wo kra wo choice.
Sie ba hi fie ho ye.
Wo choice nye. Ade na we hwena ni. We ya gina woni twan. We yanko ni twan.
We ye be ma sin twan. She be ma tuntum ni nani ama.
Hi.
She be ma ti asa shape.
Hello.
We ye be ma sin twan.
Hello. You see me? Bye bye. Now they're private.
This girl, she be crazy.
Honey, one thing is that you know that you have a problem.
Why?
The problem is this. Sometimes you are working with people. Work with people, they have sense. Don't work, just work. That is uncivilized girl like this. And then you are working to her.
I'm sorry. It's not happening in school. So where are we passing right now? Let's pass here. No, let's pass here.
Let's pass here. But can you imagine
This
that?
place is shut.
But can you imagine that the last time we went to Paris, I don't know, that place is too, their food is not tasty. So now, wow.
Okay, let's go to, I know a certain place, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And their food is not expensive.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sometimes,
Even though they do home delivery, so should we go to your place so that later you order the food or what?
I think that one's good.
Okay, so let's go to your place.
What do you mean? Wallah, Yana, my godson, but Madame Picking, you know, say if I see at this now level, people are saying, man, take my head, take for granted. When the black from you are going to swallow. You are too much, you are somebody you have to carry to the Ngongo. After we stand like this, see how the way this now your leg, this two has break. It has given me hot foot without thing. This one, if like Ghana people go pass through with this, after you go face now $150 million.
Hey, stop the let's go.
Let me follow back.
No, follow back.
Let me follow back.
Man. Shakara.